Now, this is problem number 41. This is out of the review. This is number 41. And the question says, the voltage E in an electrical circuit at time t measured in seconds is given by. Okay, so y'all, they give us an equation here. I'm just going to write it out. I know it's right there, but I'm going to go ahead and write it out again. So E equals 3 cosine of 140 pi with a t. Okay, y'all, part A, they are asking us to find the amplitude. So y'all, remember the amplitude is just going to be the absolute value of 3, which in this case is 3. Okay, they're also asking us to find the period. So y'all, if you remember, the period is always equal to 2 pi over b. And in our problem, y'all, this coefficient of the t term is going to be what my b is equal to. So we're going to say that's 2 pi over 140 pi. We can cancel out the pi's, and we can reduce 2 and 140 to 1 over 70. So there's our period, okay? Y'all, part B, they are asking us to find the frequency, okay? Y'all, if you remember, the frequency is just 1 over the period, or it's the reciprocal of the period. Well, y'all, the reciprocal of 1 over 70 would be 70 over 1, but I'm just going to write 70. And then it's going to ask us the frequency. It means it's going to do 70 oscillations, y'all. And then in my time, well, y'all, our time is measured in seconds. So that means that this thing is going to have 70 oscillations per second, okay? Y'all, there is a part C. Part C is asking us, can we find E when t is equal to 0.01? Okay, so look, y'all, all we're doing is reevaluating this function at 0.01. So I'm going to write 3 cosine of 140 pi times 0.01, okay? Y'all, to do that part, I am going to use my calculator, okay? So let me get my calculator, let me clear this out. Let me make sure that I am in degrees, in radians. So we are in radians, okay? And let's see, we had 3 cosine of 140 pi, and we're multiplying that by 0.01. And y'all, it's negative 0.927, okay? So let me come back over here, negative 0.927. Y'all, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to enter these answers into my problem, okay? So let's come back here. Let me get my problem going here. Here we go. We said our amplitude was 3, okay? We said our period was 1 over 70, so let's go 1 over 70. Let's enter that in, okay? We said our frequency was 70, okay? This is per second, okay? Here we had a negative 0.927, okay? Enter that in, okay? And now, y'all, we're gonna pick our graph. Okay, so y'all, first thing is we said that our amplitude is 3. So y'all, first thing is this is a cosine function. So the first thing I'm looking at, y'all, my graphs for B and C look like cosine functions, okay? The next thing is we said we had a period of 1 over 70. Y'all, if you look at both B and C, they do have a period of 1 over 70. They make a complete cycle at 1 over 70. But choice C has the amplitude of 3. Okay, so let me do this, and we got our problem, okay? So I hope that helps. If y'all got any questions, let me know.